What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another episode. Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. That's right, you saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. I've wanting to do this mod for pretty long time, but I did not have the parts to do it. Like, for example, the side skirt, the splitter, I did not have to do the part. Don't let the fan bother you, but it's hot out here in Arizona. I got the fan running in the garage. It's a Sunday. There's a car show today by Modded Culture. Shout out to them at Tempe Diablo Stadium. Follow me on Instagram right here. I post on Instagram most of the time. That's when I post. It's just Hussein.WN. Link is down in the description. Just my name. Alright, so let's get to the part. Everybody wants to see this. And I should have done this for a long time, but obviously I had to get the side skirt, the splitter, the wrap, and all that step by step. You know, I'm not in a rush to do to finish or build my car. Just taking my time because I want everything to be perfection. And when I put it on and install a part, I don't want to be taking that part off, replacing it with other part that I like because I did not pick the part I like at the first time, or install it the wrong way, or drill the wrong way. So that's why I'm taking my time with this build, you know, to make it as perfect as possible. I'm so happy with how it came so far right now. So without further ado, I will go ahead and show you guys the part. Should I show you the part or should I show you the installation? Let me show you the installation first. So that's what I did. Bam, right here. It's actually neon pink. I got it on the door handle and on the side skirt right here. Alright, it's not picking it up on the camera so well, but you can see right here along the side, neon pink pinstriping tape. Why did I choose that color? Because I think this color, it goes with the best with my wrap. Gold wasn't gonna look so good. Blue, I think pink really matches it up, and I do like pink. I think it looks cool. That's how it looks from the corner side. See, right down there. And you know what? At the door, not a lot of people do the door, but I thought about that. I did a pinstriping right on the edge of the door handle right here. That's a cool touch. If you see people doing this, you know what he got it from. It's this guy. Because look how good this looks. When you open the door, I even installed it so clean. Alright, now let's go to the front right here. I want to show you guys the front splitter. Like how it starts from here. And it's pretty bright outside, and forgive just the lighting, forgive the lighting. Sorry about that. It's dark in here, dark outside. I just don't open the whole door, garage door, because it's hot. But that's how it looks. Let me go from the other side. Right there. And this is the passenger door. Right here. The side skirt goes all the way up, and this is trimmed so it's clean. Look at that. Goes all the way. And it wraps around, and it finishes right there, right with the edge. I did cut it. So, with that being said, let me go ahead and show you guys the packet, or what it came from. If I find the link, it's going to be down in the description, but I got it from Amazon. So, excuse all of this, by the way. We're trying to sell a couple of stuff here. We're fixing the garage. We're fixing these. All of that stuff. A lot of work when you get a new house. So let me get that. Reach over and get that. That's the package that I got it from Amazon. What is it called? Let's see. Finest Floya Vinyl Stripe Neon Pink NEU from Amazon. If I find the link, it's gonna be down in the description. But that's it. I actually and the reason for today's video, I wanted to do this highlight right here. I think that will look really cool. Again, I did the chrome pink first. This is glow in the dark. This actually, when you shine lights on it at nighttime, it shows the like Tron. Like you can see the highlight. You can see it. Just a really cool stripe down the road when you're driving on the highway or on the regular road when you shine lights on it. Super cool. But I think I really wanted to do this. So with the chrome pink, again, the chrome pink was pretty, it didn't reflect at nighttime, and I don't know, I think the neon looks way better. So let's go ahead and attempt to do this with you guys, and I'll show you how do you put it on. It's already washed, so we're good on that part. I'm just gonna give it a quick like dry wipe, so if there's any dust I remove it, and we'll go ahead and see what's up. You're gonna need obviously this and a scissor so you can cut the ends off, and that's pretty much it. And just give it quick like that, so we make sure it's not dusty. Now we're on the ground. It's pretty easy to install, but I just want to show you how did I install the first one up close. Let's see. Okay, so I started I think from the back, and I made my way all the way, but I lined it up with the edge, and you pretty much you like press on it, press, and you like just take it out and press, and just don't take the whole, because there is a let me show you. So just like this, you take it, you press, and you peel up all the way to the end, and you make sure your hand is steady, not going up and down, because it will show if you go up and down. So let's go ahead and do that part. Start from the top, and right there. See, you need to get it right with the edge. So I'm gonna start a little bit at least, maybe lower. It's pretty tricky, not gonna lie. One thing, and the corner is pretty tough actually, because it's tricky. How to make it go clean turn without cutting. Then you have to go again and cut on the bottom, and just I don't want to cut. Alright you guys, so I finally got it to an angle where I like it. See how smooth that goes? I think that's as best it's gonna get. It's just I want to get the corners the same, not a corner is up and corner is down. So just a smooth corner. That was the hardest part. So I think I'm gonna leave it at that actually. That's actually pretty good. We'll see if I can do it on the other side. But let me go ahead and keep going. I had to cut the video because you know, I was like 5 minutes after just me trying to get it on. So let me go ahead and keep going over here. Just gonna go low and slow. You just gotta get it as straight as you can, you guys. As straight as you can. Bam. Alright, look how it looks. Hold on, let me take up the camera from the tripod. Are you guys looking straight, not at an angle? Or actually, that's a good angle too. Look at that. That's looking pretty good. Huh. See? Goes pretty. I like how the corners are the same, because the other time that I had the corner up and the corner down, it goes really smooth. Alright you guys, well, man, the other side, the passenger side, took me twice the time to do as the driver's side. You guys saw how that, pretty simple I would say. Just had to couple of tries to get it at the right angle, but that's how it looks. That's the driver's side, obviously, as you guys saw. I think it looks pretty great from here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep that. And as for the passenger, bam, there you go. Look how it looks. Look at that. I think that looks really great, and it turned out pretty good. Neon pink, super cool. And nighttime will look even cooler. Clean installation, and I tucked these in right behind the door. I opened the door and by the way, I didn't have, and this goes all the way up in here to the mud flap they call it right here, or the upper part of the side skirt. I like this look so far. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Can't go wrong with that. And hey, if I decided in a month or two or a week or two I did not like it, I can just take it off, wipe it, and we'll be good to go. So that's the look for now. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. By the way, thank you guys again for 375 subscribers. I appreciate everybody's support. Thumbs up definitely helps out the channel, helps out my video. More to come with this thing. I'm really going to try to order the hood emblem patch. That's next. Stay tuned for that. An installation is coming. Somebody sells it on Corvette group on Facebook. I'm going to reach out to him and see if he still have them for sale. But for now, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take it easy.